What's up, guys, and welcome back to Book of Entertainment. So, Begitsele at the moment, I mean, he is divulging everything, and he just doesn't care, I mean, the kind of a mood that he currently is in is completely unbelievable. So, there is this issue of Natim Tetwa, and the question is like, can you really let this mood that Behicele currently is in, you can't let it go because the guy just doesn't care at the moment. And what is actually happening, is that Behicele, he even said it, that I'm no longer in government, so I no longer report to anyone. I do not have to declare anything to anyone. And that's why he ended up sleeping at the house of Fuzumuzi Matlala. So, I mean, if he can be asked about that, he can even say whatever that he thinks, about what really happened. And I feel like it's a moment, that should not be missed because this mood and this moment is definitely not returning back. And the reason why is because Bekele himself, it's like he was waiting for this moment to finally come. I'll catch you guys on the next one.